Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 7th, 2025, and we're diving into Uber's first quarter earnings report for 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Uber's latest financial performance.
Uber has been a key player in the mobility and delivery sectors. Let's explore how they performed in the first quarter of 2025. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Uber reported a revenue of $11.5 billion for Q1 2025, marking a 14% increase year over year. John, can you elaborate on this growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is driven by a 14% increase in gross bookings, which reached $42.8 billion. This growth is supported by a strong performance in both their mobility and delivery segments. Additionally, Uber's income from operations surged to $1.2 billion, a significant improvement from the previous year.
And what about their profitability metrics?
Uber's net income was $1.8 billion, which includes a $51 million net benefit from revaluations of equity investments. Their adjusted EBITDA also saw a 35% increase, reaching $1.9 billion, indicating strong operational efficiency.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Uber's operational metrics also show impressive growth. Can you tell us more about their trip and user metrics?
Sure. Uber's trips grew by 18% year over year, reaching 3 billion trips in the quarter. This was driven by a 14% increase in monthly active platform consumers and a 3% increase in trips per Mac. These metrics highlight Uber's ability to retain and grow its user base effectively.
Looking ahead, what does Uber's outlook for Q2 2025 suggest?
Uber anticipates gross bookings between $45.75 billion and $47.25 billion, representing a 16% to 20% growth year over year. They also expect adjusted EBITDA to grow by 29% to 35%, indicating continued strong performance.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 51 cents for Uber, based on a survey of 15 analysts. How did Uber perform against these expectations?
Uber exceeded expectations with an actual EPS of 83 cents. This significant beat reflects their strong operational performance and effective cost management strategies. The market has responded positively to this earnings surprise.
What does this mean for investor sentiment?
The EPS beat has bolstered investor confidence, and the positive sentiment is likely to support Uber's stock performance in the near term.
CFO insights. Let's discuss the insights from Uber's leadership. What did CEO Dara Khosrowshahi and CFO Prashanth Mahendra-Rajah have to say?
CEO Dara Khosrowshahi emphasized Uber's profitable growth and strong user retention, highlighting their focus on future innovations, including 5 new autonomous vehicle announcements. CFO Prashanth Mahendra-Rajah pointed out their robust free cash flow of over $2 billion and their disciplined capital allocation strategy to ensure financial durability.
How do these statements align with Uber's strategic goals?
These statements reflect Uber's commitment to sustainable growth and innovation, positioning them well for long-term success in the competitive mobility and delivery markets.
Key takeaways. In summary, Uber has delivered a strong performance in Q1 2025 with impressive revenue growth, a significant EPS beat, and robust free cash flow. Their outlook for Q2 2025 remains positive with expectations of continued growth. John, any final thoughts on Uber's investment prospects?
Uber's strong financial performance and strategic focus on innovation and cash flow management make it an attractive investment opportunity. Investors should keep an eye on their future developments, especially in autonomous vehicles.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Uber's performance in the comments below.